Hey everyone, let's talk about the DoorDash IPO that's upcoming here. And really the only thing we can compare it to right now that's public is Uber because of the Uber Eats. If you recall, Grubhub actually got acquired. This was quite some time ago here, and we had the historic run-up in Grubhub with shares having a huge move to the upside from about 30 to about 85 a share. Now, if we look at Uber, what has really led to this blue sky move up ahead with people staying at home, so not riding in cars and transportation, but Uber Eats, right? Uber Eats has become very, very popular, and that is why, in my opinion, DoorDash, we don't have a ticker yet here, DoorDash is going public. So they're taking advantage in the competition of Uber Eats, but they're taking advantage of the new economy, the work from home economy. And if we look at the IPO pricing, it's already starting to get that snowflake effect. They're now pricing a DoorDash IPO from 90 to 95 per share. The valuation continues to grow. The last private valuation was around 16 billion, and now it's pricing in a valuation of around 29.4 billion. So let's just say nearly a double. That's insane. Also, too, the DoorDash cut that it takes from these restaurants. So we often think just at a glance that, oh, well, it's good for these restaurants that are that can't open up maybe in different cities and areas. Well, DoorDash, get this, they can reach on their commission up to 30% on an order. I think that's just outrageous. Imagine you order a $10 item and that restaurant's only keeping $7. I don't see how there's a lot of profit margin, especially for these smaller orders for DoorDash to be sustainable. I think restaurants will go with cheaper alternatives out there with other food delivery businesses out there. So also too, which was a big debate, DoorDash is having its drivers become independent contractors. If you recall, Uber and Lyft had a huge thing out in California with that news. So DoorDash, the IPO, do I think it's going to be very popular to start off? Oh, for sure. Really anything work from home right now in the market is soaring. But I would be a little cautious, especially within the first month of trading or so, and maybe even up to the first earnings report. Because with these kind of valuations, and DoorDash has been around. It's not like it's a new company that just popped out of the blue. I want to see how their growth is from the app with customers, and then more importantly with restaurants signing up for it. If they figure out, hey, we could go with cheaper alternatives, and you have that user base really go down, that's a massive tailwind for DoorDash upcoming, and just off this this tech bubble, we'll call it, valuation in some stocks. Very cautious comments here in DoorDash for its IPO.